Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel. The subject we are going to start today is international relations. This is very important subject of CSS. The distinction of this subject is that it is only available in CSS. Okay, it is not in PMS because of its horizon. Let's start from our syllabus. First of all, we will talk about introduction. In introduction, we are going to understand definition, scope of international relations. After that, nation state system, then evolution of international society. This is a section in which we will talk about these three things. Okay. After that, the next section is of theories and approaches. The classical approach, realism and idealism, the scientific revolution, behavioral approach, system approach, neorealism, neoliberalism, postmodernism, critical theory, feminism and constructivism. These all are very interesting and awesome theories. After that, we will talk about international political security. In this section, we will study conceptualization of security in the 21st century, power, elements of power, balance of power, foreign policy, determinants of foreign policy, decision making and analysis. After that, sovereignty and national interest. This is the most favorite topic of mine. After that, the fourth section in which we will study strategic approach to international relations like wars, causation of war, total war. These are all types of war: total war, limited war, asymmetric warfare, civil war, guerrilla warfare. Okay. After that, the fifth section is international political economy, and this is the most repeated question from this section. Theories of mercantilism, economic liberalism, and neo-Marxism. Theories of imperialism, dependence, and interdependent discourse. This dependence and interdependence of countries, like one countries depend on other. Sometimes both countries are interdependent on each other. After that, international political community, like nationalism, in which one country prioritize its own, promote its own country. Internationalism, the relationship between two countries, two states, or two organizations. After that, globalization is intermingling of all the states relations. After that, approaches to peace, diplomacy, international law, armed control, disarmament, and nuclear non-proliferation regime. Like this, in this section, we will study how states normalize the relation through diplomacy or international law or arms control or disagreements. After that, international political institutions like United Nations, International Monetary Fund, IMF, World Bank, and International Court of Justice. This was our syllabus of IR, and the IR part 2 syllabus is quite different from this because in IR2 we'll study like Cold War, World War One, World War Two, and how to make peace in South Asia and contemporary issues like Palestine issue, Kashmir issue, and Afghanistan issue. Okay, I hope you'll understand the syllabus of IR. From tomorrow, we'll study first topic of IR, that is definition and scope of international relations. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.